In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a backup using Updraftplus. This process is essential if you're looking to restore your website to a previous state, whether for troubleshooting, security reasons, or general maintenance. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident performing this task swiftly and effectively. Let's begin by accessing your WordPress dashboard. Logging into your WordPress admin is the first step. This is where you'll access the settings you need. Once you're in, navigate to the Updraftplus backups. Some setups might have this under Settings of your WordPress admin panel, while others might categorize it under Plugins. Whichever it is, this option is your go-to for managing all backup settings. Updraftplus is a highly popular plugin due to its versatility and user-friendly interface, which makes doing backups and restorations a breeze. After accessing Updraftplus, you'll want to switch to the Backup/Restore tab. This is the area where all your existing backups are listed. It gives you a clear overview of what's available, ensuring you always know what backups you have on hand. Keeping backups regularly updated is a good practice for website health and security, so you'll have peace of mind knowing you're covered if something goes wrong. Now that we're in the right location, let's focus on uploading your backup files. In the Existing Backups area, there's a link or a button that says Upload Backup Files, or something along those lines. When you click this, it opens up an upload interface. You can either drag and drop your files or choose them manually. When selecting your backup files, you'll typically see multiple components like database, plugins, themes, uploads, and others. It's important to select all relevant zip or archive files because each component serves a crucial role in restoring your website fully. The database contains your posts and site configuration. Themes define how your site looks. Plugins add functionalities, and uploads cover various media like images. Once you have all the necessary files selected, the upload process begins. You might need a bit of patience here, as it can take some time depending on the size and number of files. During this step, it's vital not to navigate away from the page to ensure a smooth and uninterrupted upload. After the upload is complete, you will notice the new files listed under the Existing Backups section. This indicates everything has gone as planned, and your backup is now safely stored. At this point, you're ready to restore your website whenever you need to. Remember, maintaining regular backups is a proactive way to keep your website secure and running efficiently. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a backup using Updraftplus. This simple yet powerful tool helps you safeguard your hard work and ensures you can easily roll back changes when necessary. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.